How to fix COD Modern Warfare 2 not launching in Steam. 1. Update GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updated in this video guide. And, ensure that the MW2 is sharing or using your native resolution. For NVIDIA users, get the driver V526.61 installed. And update your system as well. Two. Check then improve your internet connection. 3. Run the game, COD.exe or Steam, as administrator. 4. Verify the integrity of the game files in Steam. Like this. 5. Let COD MW2, COD.exe, use your high-performance graphics. Like this. 6. Uninstall, reinstall, along with required DLC, and update MW2. 7. Allow your game, both COD.exe and Prospect Win64 shipping, through Windows Firewall. Like this. 8. Run your game, Steam, launcher as an administrator. 9. Close conflicting or non-essential programs with Windows Clean Boot Mode. Note, you may need to turn off antivirus protection. 10. Disable Steam overlay. 11. Disable Steam input. Like this. 12. Play MW2 game in windowed mode. Set full screen mode equals 1 to full screen mode equals 0 in the game user settings file at save config Windows no editor. 13. Disable DirectX 12 in MW2 video settings. 14. Set correct rendering device in Modern Warfare 2 video settings. 15. For AMD processor users, disable multi-threaded rendering in MW2 settings. 16. Disable NVIDIA Instant Replay and Shadow Play. 17. Undo any overclocks. For NVIDIA players, enable debug mode. 18. Backup then delete MW2 config file at Documents folder MW2 folder Players subfolder. 19. Download and install the Visual C++ redistributable as admin.